Howdy everybody and welcome to Full Throttle Therapy. In this episode, I meet up with a couple of mates and we head down to the Bulli Antique Motorcycle Show. They also had a chopper night on last night, so a lot of the choppers are still there. We're going to have a look at some really cool bikes, and then to finish it off, we go for a ride up through Stanwell Tops over the Seacliff Bridge before heading back home. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, like and subscribe. Make sure to tune in to the rest of our content. Alright, so we managed to make the ride down to Bulli for the antique motorcycle show here. There's still a lot of cool choppers floating around, so let's have a look. As is, J-Boy's actually got one here that looks absolutely phenomenal. Let's have a closer look at it.
Hey, it's me. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up. Pick up. I got a full tank and some bad ideas. Overserved and underpaid, and overdue for a run. Full tank means freedom to those who ride the lines. Got a shovel head digging through the memories in my mind. Hell, I'm always getting paid. Good times is all I find. Full tank means freedom when yesterday's a crime. Full tank means freedom when yesterday's a crime. Full tank means freedom when yesterday's a crime. Inked up my knuckles with R-I-D-I-N, and for the others L-I-V-I-N. Yeah, I sold my soul to pay the toll, but I cashed in on my sins. Riding for a living, just the work of a chopper man. Riding for a living, just the work of a chopper man. Riding for a living, just the work of a chopper man. Divorce, of course, just a hazard of the job. A hardwood no worth is meaningless to rob. And most of the love I made, hell, I fabricated it out of lines I heard from movies. I must admit, out of lines I heard from movies. That's happy shit. Out of lines I heard from movies. That's happy shit. Well, I don't feel much like feeling, set the sun on my ears. When I don't change for nothing less, I'm changing through these gears. Boy, if you're scared, go to church. If you ain't, let's hit the road. I heard Jesus wrote a pan that he built and never sold. Riding for a living, just the work of a chopper man. Riding for a living, just the work of a chopper man. And if thrill was a city, I'd live there till I die. And if freedom was a lady, hell, I'd kill to be her guy. Loyal to the throttle, and easy on the brakes. This way life ain't easy, but it gives more than it takes. Riding for a living, just the work of a chopper man. Riding for a living, just the work of a chopper man. Hey, it's me again. Look, I'm gonna spare you all the details, but long story short, I'm in Clearwater County, okay? And I need a couple bucks from bail. Just the work of a chopper man.
back to Appen, go to Appen Pub, have a drink and go home. Been a cracker day. Howdy everybody, just wanted to say cheers for tuning in. If you like the content, be sure to like and subscribe, leave us a comment, let us know what sort of content you would like to see as well. I'm always up for making all sorts of different stuff, and I really hope you enjoyed the clip. Catch you on the next one.